before we get into this video, I wanted to show you guys some before and after pictures. My buddy Skim literally pulled this car out of a junkyard with a forklift and got working on it. I think it took him about 13 or 15 years working on it here and there to get everything together to where it is now. But he literally took this car from a junk heap to what it is now. It has an LS1 and it's on air ride. Check it out. That thing is cold. Even engraved the trim inside. That's slick. I've been looking for one of these car seats, man. '59 Chevy Nomad.